So I bought two boats, and one was already nearly restored, but at this point I decided that I will document it. Therefore, here we go. So we have a sailboat, which is 1137 meters long, and we have a Dalla Pieta Italian, let's say yacht, which is out of plywood. For starters, this boat had a lot of damage, like this, like that out there. I mean, it was really neglected. Therefore I decided that I'll take it, try to fix it, and use it. It wasn't really that expensive. So we already grinded down most of the debris. See here. It still needs to be fixed a little. So we do have a lot of work still. Unfortunately, I don't have the footage. See, here also. I don't have the footage where I can go through a step by step with this, but I have pictures. I will add them behind this walk around. See, also here. This boat is currently on standby because this one was delivered today, and I will add the footage of the delivery in the video at some point of time. So there is a lot of water in it, as much as you can see. There are no windows. The boat is basically destroyed. It was 1 year underwater. The previous owner died and couldn't restore it. The plan was simple, but unfortunately it just sat like that for the last 8 years. Until now. So again, I got it with the idea to fix it and to use it. At some point, maybe so. But at this point, I hope that they will fix it. So let's make a small boat. So this was a speedboat without the roof, so we decided to create a roof, like that. So it was there, and after that, we have now those light bars up there, with this was, the frame was already made, it was tested, it is great. Still needs to be fixed together with this one. So we have some issues here. The wood was replaced, but we need to grind it down. So here the deck is gone, needs to be clear, etc. Altogether it's around 14 meters, 600 horsepower. It's a big this way. Unfortunately, there is a lot of work to be done. So this whole section there was destroyed, water damage, and we had to cut it out and put new wood in it, which we did. Now we need to grind it down and cover it with paint. So the same goes with that side there. We were not able to replace that part. But we will cut it down as much as we can to get to the good wood, and if we are not able to get to the good wood, then we will cut it out or try to cut it out and glass it. So the boat is around 12 meters or something like that. And now we're going into the inside. We have, let's say, a good kitchen, normal size. Our daily place, a cabin to sleep in, but at this point it's just stuff which we need to work on the boat. So tapes, parts, door, or a roll, or call it however it wants. Then we have here a toilet. And we have a back side of this boat, which again, this door needs to be made from scratch. And hopefully you will see every single step of that. Again, another toilet. So these are the parts which we need to fix. So there was a big hole, which is currently closed. And parts out of the toilet because we get to get it out to fix the hole in the hull. So yeah, for starters, that's basically it for this boat. The current plan is to... Now the sailboat is as is. I mean, you can see the state of it. It will be more than enough work to do it. All the windows are missing. Somebody sold them. But all in all, it should be doable. So as said, this sail yard boat was heavily neglected. As said, this boat, sail yard, whatever you want, was heavily neglected. I assume that you can see water down there, which I will pump out. At least plan to pump out today. It's missing this curtain. Okay, past is here. There it is. Yeah. It's damaged. It needs to be refurbished. The inside is damaged, destroyed. Control units, watches are gone. I have even no idea what was here or there. So everything is missing, which needs to be remade, which I will do, because I have nobody else to do it. This is, I assume, dead. I don't think that I can step on it. And if I do step on it, I have no idea what will happen, so therefore I won't try to step on it. There is no engine in it. There are a lot of trash, as you can see right now. Yeah, so many things need to be repaired, remade, etc. So this is the only part which I have which isn't damaged. So if you check a little bit deeper in, you see the severity of the damage. I mean, nothing was unfixable, but it will be a lot of work. It will be a lot of work even to get those things out. So and the first steps would be to recreate the